What does a 5-month facial rejuvenation look like? We have our wonderful patient here who was kind enough to share her experience. What was that initial couple of weeks like? Better or worse than you expected? Just tell us.
The pain was better than I expected. It was not bad at all. The swelling was pretty bad. I had a pretty bad bruising at the bottom of my face. But
a lot of bruising. So, and this is something you told me earlier. At around the 2.5-week mark or 2-week mark, you said you felt good. You were ready to go out and about, right?
Yes, absolutely.
But you had that deep bruising that kind of held you back, right?
Yeah.
You know, this social downtime we talk about after comprehensive rejuvenations. Mm-hmm. When did you feel confident going out into the real world, going to lunch with friends, going to the grocery store without people looking at you twice?
Yeah, it was probably around a month, I would say, I went out.
The other thing, though, too, people look at you like, wow. Like you said, they see your before photos, and you are obviously young and have some great features. But at the same time, we were talking about the benefits of doing this at what is considered a quote-unquote young age. Mm-hmm. If you don't mind me asking, how young are you?
46.
46, right. But the benefits I tell, just as a quick aside, of doing these procedures early as compared to maybe your 60s or so as traditionally was done, you heal faster because you just have better innate healing abilities. The tissues that I'm working with are really that much more durable and just better to manipulate and to work with. They just kind of behave better. Mm-hmm. So I like to call this like, it just results that whisper, right?
Yes, that's what I was looking for at doing it at my age. Like I had things that bothered me, but then I was like, I didn't want it to where people knew I had had it done necessarily. I wanted it to be, I don't know, more minimal.
Subtle. Yeah. Now, as great as you look, there's still some things we're monitoring, right? At this 5-month mark, we know that scars are still maturing. Scars take a full year to fully heal. We've done some things to help them in the meantime. Mm-hmm. A little CO2 laser, we did that several weeks ago, and we're likely going to do another little touch of that today. We're going to do some Botox as well to just further enhance this result. And you're helping with good skincare and just good lifestyle, like exercise, avoiding the sun, all that good stuff. What is maybe a pearl or words of wisdom for someone who maybe was in your situation considering these things? What do you want to tell them?
I mean, I'll just say go for it. I mean, the recovery is a little bit tough at times, but it's well worth it in the end. And I feel like I want to look good while I'm a little younger and not wait until I'm older to fix the things I didn't like.
Absolutely. And that's another thing too, the benefit of doing it at these younger stages. You're in the prime of your life, socially, personally, professionally, whatever you want to say. Mm-hmm. And so it makes very logical sense to do these types of transformations when you can really reap the benefits. Mm-hmm. So thank you for sharing. You look fantastic.
Thank you.
And if anyone has questions about facial rejuvenation, please reach out.